Hello guys and welcome in another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to duplicate a copy of your Photoshop project. So I got my cover album right here. Is an extended play AP. I want to make another copy of this project right here because I want to change the title of the song. After this I wanted to open it in After Effects and make all the lyrics, You can do whatever you want with your project, but if you want to copy the project with all the presets here, it's only one way. Go here to Image, go Duplicate, it's gonna pop up a table here. Your name is of the project and the word copy. Click OK, and it's gonna open in another window here. This is the old project and this is the copy. You see the same layers, everything is the same. That's it guys, thank you, hope you enjoyed, and see you in another tutorial. Stay home, stay safe, wish you luck, bye bye.